Food friends gathered, ready to zoom. Spacesuits on in the rocket room. Mission today is super grand. We'll visit each planet in our solar land. First stop's Mercury, tiny and fast, racing the sun as it zooms right past. It smiles and waves in a silver hue. I'm small but speedy, nice to meet you. Next is Venus, glowing so bright, covered in clouds, what a golden sight. She twirls around in a sparkly dress. I'm hot and shiny, I must confess. Then comes Earth, our lovely home. Oceans and forests, wherever we roam. She waves with mountains and rivers wide. I'm full of life, come take a ride. Off to Mars, the red dusty land. He shakes our hands with his rocky hand. I've got tall volcanoes and canyons deep, and robot friends who never sleep. Jupiter greets us with a stormy cheer, his giant red spot spinning year by year. I'm the biggest planet, strong and round. My moons and rings all spin around. Saturn appears with rings so wide, he lets us slide on a cosmic ride. My golden rings are my crown and pride. Come glide along, enjoy the ride. Uranus rolls in, tilted and cool. He spins sideways, a spacey roll. I'm blue and icy, far from the sun. Rolling and laughing is so much fun. Last is Neptune, deep blue and bright. Winds whoosh past like a speedy kite. I'm the windiest planet in this race. You've reached the end of your outer space. Food friends wave as they head back home, past stars and planets where they did roam. Mission complete, the journey's done, until our next big cosmic run.